Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add the Midjourney bot on Discord. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type discord.com and hit on enter right now. Do log into Discord if you already have not. As you can see, I have already logged into my account, so if you have not logged in, do log in right now. Now what we need to do to add the Midjourney bot to our Discord server is simply click on this plus button, that is add a server. You can find it at the left side of the screen, simply click on it. It's gonna open up something like this. You do not need to look at any of this and simply click on this button called as join a server. Now it's gonna ask you an invitation link. You do not need anything, just type Midjourney. Once you've written it, click on join server. And as you can see, we have successfully joined the Midjourney community. Now what we want to do to add the Midjourney bot is simply click on this button right here at the top that says show member list. Click on it. It's gonna show you something like this. And right here is the Midjourney bot. Simply right click on it and go to profile. Now you need to click on this button called as add app. It's gonna open up another pop-up like this. Now you need to add it to any server of your choice. Once everything's done, simply hit on continue. Again, scroll down, authorize, and as you can see, Midjourney bot has been added to our server. Let's go verify it right now. Midjourney bot has been successfully added to our Discord server. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you add the Midjourney bot on your Discord server. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.